If you're a creative, a photographer, designer, coach, artist, you're constantly asking, why am I so burnt out when I love what I do? Well, this video is for you because talent isn't the problem. The problem is structure. Hi, I'm Amy Lee. I've been a photographer about 15 to 16 years. I run a template business, I manage client work, I design systems, and I know what it's like to feel trapped in a business that's supposed to bring freedom. In my first few years, I was doing everything manually, replying to DMs at 10 p.m., losing track of bookings, forgetting client names, undercharging, and constantly on edge of burnout. I wasn't lazy. I wasn't inexperienced. I just didn't have a business system. So why most creative businesses fail? Because they only sell a skill, not a system. Your photography, your art, your design, that's your gift. But a business needs more than a gift. It needs repeatable processes. When you rely on your energy to run the show, you burn out. When you rely on systems, you scale. Number two, they don't map the client journey. This is the number one reason creatives stay stuck. They're winging it from inquiry to delivery. That makes you look and keeps you looking unprofessional and overwhelmed. You need to clearly define how your clients find you, how they book you, when their onboarding experience is like, what happens between sessions, how they receive their final product, how you ask for feedback, reviews, and referrals. Without this, you're leaking money, time, and energy every day. Number three, they undercharge because they feel overwhelmed. When your business feels chaotic, you don't feel worthy of charging more. Pricing confidence comes from knowing your back end is handled, your delivery is clean, and your time is respected. Number four, they try to do everything alone. If you're the CEO, the admin, the marketer, the artist, the editor, no wonder you're exhausted. Even if you're not ready to outsource, you can still delegate to automation, systems, and templates. That's how I scaled without a team in the beginning. So your first step, let's fix this first piece of the puzzle, your client journey. What I need you to do is I want you to walk through your entire process from the moment someone finds you online to the moment you ask for a testimonial. And then I want you to write down what's working, what's missing, and where things fall apart. To make that easier, I've actually created a free template that you can download and plug into Notion that maps out a burnout-free client journey. It's got pre-filled stages, touch point prompts, automation ideas, and space to customize it to your brand. You can grab it using the link below. It's free and it will help you to feel so much more grounded and confident in your workflow. If you already know that your workflow needs a serious glow up, I actually teach my full client systems strategy inside the Calm Workflow method. It's my signature bundle for photographers and creatives who want a business that runs smoother and sells stronger. But if you're not quite there yet, this series is going to get you closer. So stick around for the next video. In the next episode, we're going to tackle creative pricing. No more guessing, no more guilt, or I hope this sounds okay, packages. I'm giving you my exact method to price with confidence and profit. So subscribe, hit the bell, and let's build your aligned creative biz from the inside out.